Today we will discuss some IIT questions based on integers. First, let's start with MCQs. First question. Find the sum between the greatest 5-digit number and the greatest 4-digit number formed using the digits 7, 6, 2, 5, 1 when the repetition is not allowed. Here in the question, they are saying that we have to find a sum between the greatest 5-digit number and the greatest 4-digit number, which is formed using the digits 7, 6, 2, 5, 1. And here, while forming the numbers, we have to take care of one condition, which is the repetition of digits in any number is not allowed. So first, let's form the numbers. So first, we'll form the greatest 5-digit number. So, to find the greatest 5-digit number in the 10,000s place, we will first, out of the digits provided, which are 7, 6, 2, 5, 1, in the 10,000s place, we will write the greatest digit among these 5 digits. So, here I can see the greatest is 7. So, in the 10,000s place, we'll write 7. Now, in the remaining places, we will write the remaining digits in descending order. So, let's write. Here after 7, 6 comes, after 6, 5 comes, after 5, 2, and after 2, 1. So the greatest 5-digit number which can be formed out of the digits 7, 6, 2, 5, 1 and where the repetition of any digits in this number is not there. And that number is 76,521. Now let's form the greatest 4-digit number. Now, in the thousands place, first of all, we will write the greatest digit out of these 5 numbers. So, the greatest is 7, so we'll write 7. Now, after this, the remaining are 3 digits. In the 3 digits, out of these 4 numbers which are left, we will write it in descending order. And one number cannot be written because here we are finding out the greatest 4-digit number. So, that's why here one number will be left out. So, here first let's write in descending order. After 7, 6 comes, after 6, 5 comes, and after 5, 2 comes. Here I did not write 1 because if I would write 1, then it would become the greatest 5-digit number. But I want the greatest 4-digit number. So the greatest 4-digit number is 7,652. Now they are saying we have to find the sum of these two numbers. So let's do the sum. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 5, 7, 5 plus 6, 11, 1 carry over, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 7, 14, 4, 1 carry over, here 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. So the sum of these two numbers, the greatest 5-digit number and the greatest 4-digit number, the sum is 84,173. So 84,173 is option B in this question. So the correct answer of this question is option B, which is 84,173. Second question. Simplify. Here we have to simplify this whole expression. For simplifying this whole expression, I will tell you two things. First thing is a rule. The rule is board mass. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So first of all, in an expression, we have to solve the brackets, then of, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. And the second thing is when there is a bar over the two numbers. So that means we have to first solve these two numbers. So here bar is placed over 7 minus 18. So that means first of all in this expression we have to solve 7 minus 18. Then we will solve other things according to board mass. So let's start solving this question. So first of all, we'll solve 7 minus 18. So first we'll do 18 minus 7. 18 minus 7 is equal to 11. 11 and here we have to do 7 minus 18. So we'll just add 1 minus 7. 7 minus 18 is equal to minus 7. And here remember that here minus 11 is in brackets. And here outside is minus and inside also there is minus. So here this minus and this minus will become plus. So it will be 17 plus 11. So now let's solve 17 plus 11. 7 plus 1, 8, 1 plus 1, 2. 17 plus 11 is equal to 28. So here, instead of this bracket, we can write 28 because we have solved this bracket. So let's write 28. Here now we'll do 2 multiply 28 because 2 is in front of 28. And 2 is in front of the brackets. And inside bracket there is 28. So we'll do 2 multiply 28. With the 16, 6, 1 carry over 2 to 4 plus 1, 5. So 28 2 is 56. So here instead of this we can write 56. Now we have to do minus 72 divided by 24 because first of all according to board mass we have to do bracket. Here we are doing bracket. Then we have to do off. Here is no off. So we'll jump on to the next. And next we have to do division. So here first we'll do the division. So minus 72 by 24. 24 1 is 24, 24 3 is 72. So minus 72 by 24 is resulting in minus 3. So here we'll write minus 3 multiply 5 plus 56. Now after division we have to do multiplication. So we'll do minus 3 multiply 5. Here minus and plus will be minus and 3 multiply 5 is equal to 15 plus 56. Here there is minus 15 plus 56 and here in one integer there is minus sign and in other there is plus sign. So first we'll do the subtraction of these two numbers. So we'll do 56 minus 15. 6 minus 5 1, 5 minus 1 4. So 56 minus 15 is equal to 41. Now we will do 369 by 41 because first of all we have to do the division. 369 by 41 is equal to 9. 36 minus 9. And 36 minus 9 is equal to 27. So the simplification of this expression is, that means when we simplify this whole expression, the result is coming 27. And 27 is option A. So the correct answer of this question is option A, which is 27. Third question. The cost of a pen is the largest two-digit number in rupees. The cost of a textbook and geometry box respectively are the successor and predecessor of the cost of the pen. And here the cost of the pen is the largest two-digit number in rupees. And now they are saying find the sum of the costs of the textbook and geometry box in rupees. So first of all, to find the sum of the costs of the textbook and geometry box in rupees, we will find out the cost of the pen in rupees. And the cost of the pen they are saying is the largest two-digit number. So the largest two-digit number is 99. So the cost of pen is 99 rupees. Now they are saying the cost of the textbook is the successor cost of the pen. So here the successor of 99 is 99 plus 1 and 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. So the amount of textbook in rupees is 100 rupees. Now we'll find out the cost of the geometry box. Here the cost of the geometry box is the predecessor of the cost of the pen. So the predecessor of 99 is 99 minus 1 and 99 minus 1 is equal to 98. So the cost of geometry box is 98 rupees. Now we have to do the sum of these numbers. So let's do the sum. 0 plus 8, 8, 0 plus 9, 9, 1 plus 0, 1. So 100 plus 98 is equal to 198. So the sum of the cost of the textbook, which is 100 rupees, and the cost of the geometry box, which is 98 rupees, the sum of these two amounts of these two things is 198 rupees. So the answer of this question is option B, which is 198. Now let's solve some fill in the blanks. First question. The local value or the place value of the digit 3 in the number 2356 is dash. Here we have to find out the place value, or we can say the local value of the digit 3 is number which is 2356. Here 3 is located in the hundreds place. So the place value of 3 in this number is 300 because it is located in the hundreds place. So here the place it is 300. So the answer of this question is 300. Second question. The difference between the place value and the face value of the digit 6 in the number 9867 is, here they are saying we have to find out the difference between the place value and the face value of the digit 6 in this number, which is 9867. Here face value of 6 is 6, and I want to tell you that the face value of any number is the same number. So here the face value is 6, and here the place value of 6 is 60 because it is in the tens place. So here the place value is 60. So here we have to subtract these two numbers because we are told to subtract. So 60 minus 6 is equal to 54. So the answer of this question is 54. So the correct answer of this question is 54. Now let's practice some short answer questions. First question. Write all the possible two-digit numbers using the digits 3, 4 and 5 without repeating any digit. Here in this question, they are saying that we have to write all the possible two-digit numbers using the digits 3, 4 and 5, and we have to obey this condition, which is we should not repeat any digit in any number. So first, we have to find out the possible two-digit numbers. And that, when we find out the possible two-digit numbers, that will be the answer of this question. So first of all, we will fix one digit in tens and then we will change the unit digits. But we have to keep in mind that we have to not repeat any digit in any number. So first we will fix 3 as the tens place. 3. Now with 3, first we'll put in the units digit 4. Then we can put in the units digit 5 here, but we cannot put 3 in the units place because it will be repeating and we do not want to repeat any digit in any number. So now we have done with 3. Now we'll fix 4 in the tens place. So 4 in the units place it can come 3, and here in the units place it can come 5. Now 4 is over. So now we'll fix the last number, which is 5 in the tens place. 5, 53 and 54. So now we'll count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer of this question is 6. Because there are 6 possible two-digit numbers which can be found by using the digits 3, 4 and 5, and there are no repeating digits in any number. So the correct answer of this question is 6. Second question. Represent the following as integers. Here there are given some 5 statements and we have to represent all these 5 statements in integers. So first we'll represent the first statement. Here first is gain of 28. Gain means profit, and profit is represented by a plus symbol. And here there is a profit of 28. So answer of first is plus 28. Second part. Loss of 48. Loss is represented by minus sign and there is loss of 48. So the answer of the second part is minus 48. Third part. Here 36 meter below sea level. Here they are saying 36 meter below sea level. Below sea level means minus, and we are 36 meter below sea level. So it is represented by minus 36. Fourth part. 12 degrees rise in temperature. Rise is represented by a plus sign. And there is 12 degrees rise in temperature. So this is represented by plus 12. Fifth part. 5 degrees fall in temperature. Fall is represented by a minus sign and there is 5 degrees fall in temperature. So the answer of fifth part is minus 5. So this question's all parts are answered. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.